Standing yoga poses. Downward facing dog energizes the whole body, stretching the spine, shoulders, and legs. Breathe deeply and evenly, letting the posture bring balance, strength, and calm focus. Forward bend gently stretches the spine and the back of the legs, calming the mind and releasing tension. With each exhale, soften deeper into the pose and let the body relax. Extended forward bend lengthens the spine and stretches the hamstrings, bringing a deep sense of release. Inhale to extend, exhale to fold, and let your breath guide the movement. Tree pose improves balance, focus, and stability. Root firmly through the standing leg. Keep the spine tall, and breathe calmly as you grow steady and centered like a tree. Tree pose builds balance and concentration while strengthening the legs and core. Keep your standing foot grounded, spine tall, and with each calm breath, feel steady and centered. Peaceful warrior strengthens the legs and opens the side body while calming the mind. Breathe deeply, keep your stance strong, and let the posture bring both power and peace. Peaceful warrior combines strength with ease. Keep your front legs strong, lean back gently, and stretch through the side body. With steady breathing, feel both grounded and calm. Triangle pose stretches the sides of the body, strengthens the legs, and improves balance. Keep the spine long, chest open, and breathe deeply as you hold the posture. Triangle pose stretches the sides of the body, strengthens the legs, and improves overall balance. Keep your spine long, chest open, and breathe deeply and evenly, feeling stability and openness with every inhale and exhale. Dancer pose improves balance, stretches the chest and shoulders, and strengthens the legs. With slow and steady breathing, reach forward and back gracefully, feeling strength, focus, and calm energy throughout the body. Dancer pose strengthens the legs, opens the chest and shoulders, and improves balance. Keep your breath steady and deep, moving gracefully, and feel both strength and calm focus throughout the body. Eagle pose stretches the shoulders, upper back, and legs while improving balance and focus. Breathe deeply and evenly, feeling the body release tension and gain stability. Eagle pose strengthens the legs, stretches the shoulders and upper back, and improves overall balance and focus. With slow, steady breaths, wrap the arms and legs gently, feeling tension release and a sense of calm stability throughout the body.